Hello everyone, so MPX AUTOS here today. We are doing the DAF truck system, and the truck has the standard radio slot over here, but definitely it is nothing too much with the current technology of the big screen thing. And if anything, screen going up here and slide up like what it was before, it will block all of those buttons, which is another inconvenience. And it's why the system here was not secure, because they slide in and then they found that if they slide too far in, it will be blocked by this button enough. So the system was just floating here, flying. Not good, definitely not good, and not safe. Now what we are doing is we remove the dashboard screen here and we install the new system on the top here. But to remove this dust is a bit of fun thing. Now look at the top there. You have the panel here, and that panel has 2, 4, 6 of the screw, which actually is standing for T40. Okay, you need T40 over there to remove them. And then you will find that this top of the plastic is locked in by two or three of the plastic clip under here. So and then look, we have to remove this one from the bottom. So you slide down the thread lighter and storage tray here, slide down, and then there's 2 screws here upward. At first we thought we had to remove this part, but actually we didn't have to. So we only need to remove 2 screws, like upward from here, one here and one over here, upward. And that screw style is equivalent with the T25. Okay, T25. Oh no, sorry, not T25. It actually is the big one, the bigger one. It is T30. Okay. Yes, T30. That one, the bigger head here. So T30. 2 of the T30 from bottom, and then you can slide this one up already a little bit. So we'll now remove the top and we'll get this one out.